we're Okanagan Vision Therapy, and we're always looking to add, the right people to our team. So whether you're an optometrist with an interest in developmental or neurooptometry, or you're an administrative guru, or a vision therapist, or someone who's motivated to learn how to create a career in the area of vision therapy, we're looking for you to apply. We have a robust training regimen protocol where we can teach you everything that you need to know to help people and help your community. I suppose the big three things that we're looking for in applicants is, number one, above all else, kindness. So we're looking for people, if you're smiling while you're watching this video, if you exude kindness and positivity, that's probably our number one that we're looking for. Number two would be empathy. So we work with, a lot of people who are going through challenges, whether it's, a child who's struggling in school or someone who's struggling with the impact of brain injury. We really want you to be able to, draw people into the experience and kind of go with them on their journey of recovery or growth. And finally would be self-initiative. So we're about as far from a micromanaged culture as you can be. So we're looking for people who, want a work environment where they can solve problems, where they can take control of their educational and learning experiences. We want people who can come to us with, a great degree of initiative. That just makes things run, beautifully smoothly. Our clinic is, it's a bit of a network of centers, but we're headquartered in downtown Kelowna. So, I've traveled a lot, and I can say without question, this is, not only one of the best places in Canada, this is one of the best places in the world to live. Our state-of-the-art center, we are equipped with all of the technology that you'll need to be successful in this field. We're a 5-minute walk from the beach, 20-minute drive to an international airport. We've got restaurants, wineries, breweries, culture, nightlife, all within, a 10-minute radius. So it really does create, a wonderful environment to build a proper work-life balance. So if you're listening to this and it speaks to you, we'd love for you to apply, and we'd love for you to be part of our team.